Hi everyone, I hope you're having a fabulous day. In today's video, I wanted to show you guys how you can get really straight, sleek, shiny, flowy, like look at this, it's just like flows. Flowy and just like really, you know, hair. I don't know how to like, what's the word that I'm trying to think of? It's just like perfectly, you know? That's the kind of hair we're going for today. So this is my hair about like 90% air dried. The first thing that I do, just gonna brush it out, standard procedure. This is a wet brush. I'll link everything that I use below, but wet brushes don't hurt your hair. Now that it's completely brushed out, the first thing that I'm going to put in it is the Biolage Heat Styling Primer. Provides an easy blow dry with touchable, soft, shapely results. Heat protection up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. So I just put like the tiniest amount, in my hair, because if I put a little bit more, then it's going to weigh my hair down and I don't like that. Just brush my hair again to distribute the product. So the next thing I do is I blow dry my hair. Blow drying the hair before flat ironing it makes it just a little bit more flowy. I really like just the shape and the body that it gives your hair despite flat ironing it, because sometimes you can flat iron your hair and it be very like limp. So I feel like the blow dryer just helps it out, helps it flow more. I'm just going to clip it up with my favorite clip of all time. It expands to the hair. I say this in like all my hair videos, but the best clips ever because they expand, so you could do bigger pieces. I mean, if I wanted to like do all of this, boom, like it just does any size piece. It's like the best thing ever. I have a million of these and I love them. So I'm just going to blow dry my hair as normal, just round brush it. So I will speed through this. So I just finished round brushing my hair. Now we're gonna get into the flat ironing part. I'm also going to be adding the shine in this step. The last step is going to be really polishing off the look. So you can use different products. This is like my 4th bottle of this thing. It's the Bamboo Kendi Oil Dry Oil Mist. You need some sort of dry oil mist. And I'm gonna be using this thing, the comb thing. Again, Amazon, really inexpensive. Herstyler, a lot of my stuff are Herstyler. I think my first flat iron that I didn't break, well, I had one flat iron that I broke the day that I got it and I started crying, but that's a whole other thing. The first like real flat iron that I got was Herstyler. They had like a kiosk at the mall and they were like advertising and like trying on different people. They like will pull you and be like, let me do your hair. And they straightened my hair and then they curled it with the same flat iron and I was just amazed. So my mom got it for me. I remember we thought it was like the coolest thing. Anyway, I love Herstyler. This is Herstyler. That was the point. Now because I have really short pieces at the bottom, I will like put up the top part so that I can get to the very bottom. So if you have really short layers, like usually this is how you would section off your hair. I don't do that. I take another layer. I try to get to like the very bottom layer and I'll just clip this up also. The reason why is because these little baby pieces, they show up from the front. So if you don't really get them, they're gonna show. I'm just gonna grab the hair like that and just straighten it. Now I'm gonna put the layer down. So I use 2 flat irons, as you guys are going to see. I use this one, which is my favorite flat iron, and they do make a smaller plated one of this one. And then I'm using the KQC one as well. I'm using both because this one makes it quicker, and this one gets into like the roots and smooths out the roots. And I kind of just alternate. You guys will see there's like no right or wrong, but obviously you don't need both. So ignore the fact that I'm alternating flat irons. You need 1 flat iron. So we're gonna flat iron this section as usual. And when I flat iron straight. I don't do like a turn in or a turn out, because if you do a turn in, you're gonna have this situation with short hair. I don't like that. I like it to look straight. I don't like this. I just personally don't like it. So in order to avoid that, go straight down. make sure you get the back. I use my fingers because I like to feel the back and make sure it's completely smooth. So when I'm doing the back, it's a little hot, but flat iron, finger. And you could wait a little bit, but it's just my way of feeling out the back and making sure that it's smooth through each section. Whatever doesn't feel smooth, I go over and feel in between the layers. Really make sure you get every piece. Now that the first layer is done, what I'm going to do is take the dry oil mist, spray 2 sprays in my hand, and just rub it through the hair like so. And what I'm going to do is straighten section by section and oil section by section. But the oil is lighter and doesn't weigh down the hair when it's applied to your hand rather than straight onto your head. And then on to the next section. How did I get so many clips in my hair? I don't recall doing that. I'm like shocked over here. So this is done. 1 spray because I'm just doing this. If I get it on the other section beneath it, I don't really care. And I swear my hair does not end up greasy or anything. It looks beautiful. So you're safe. If you could feel this right now, it's just incredible. I'm gonna use my completely broken comb because I only need this. I like to part my hair in the center. I just take it and go like this. This face framing piece right here, the one that's like right by my face, I'm separating it. This I'm just gonna take and I just do this. Now, for this, it's just so weird how I do it. I really make sure I get it, and then I just take it back. And it just does something. Instead of it just being stuck to my face, it works a lot better when I take it back. Feel the back, make sure the back is completely straight. Make sure all the baby hair is like nice and straight. The last like oil bit, just oil down the top, the dry oil, the one that's gonna just give it so much shine. You can see all the shine. That's from all this oil. It also really helps it be more sleek. So the oil is key. Now to make the bottom really smooth and shiny, I add a serum. The L'Oreal Eversleek Frizz Finish Serum. You'll be amazed at how much my hair stays straight no matter what because of Hairspray. And I feel like people really don't use it. At least I never really did. I just didn't like it. Use Hairspray. It is just incredible for this hairstyle because this hairstyle is so like precise and so straight and every little thing shows. You want it to stay put. This hairspray, you will never feel it in your hair. You do right now, like obviously right now my hair feels like a rock. I'm gonna just brush it out and it's gonna feel like there's no hairspray in it whatsoever, but the hairspray is in there and it's keeping it put. So, like I'm generous. Make sure I get like the bottom hair. Oh, don't talk to people when you spray hairspray, guys. Whew, my hair feels good. Yo, I swallowed hairspray. This is like an incredible product. It's the Ouai finishing cream. It's like a lotion for your hair, and that's exactly how it describes itself, like a lotion for your hair. Rather than a serum, which doesn't have as strong of a hold, this does. Oh, I love it. If you're gonna buy anything I talk about, it's these 2 products. I mean, no, it's everything, but it's everything. I take that back, but oh, you need this. You know, this is pricey, but you need it. I usually am not like about products. I really don't give a crap, but that's a really good one. Just sleek it down. Just gonna polish it off. That's the polisher right there. Just like polishes off the look. Really get it into like the front pieces. They will have no frizz. They will be shiny. it still like lets the hair move, but it just polishes it off in a way that it just can't be explained. It's just incredible. Can sleek down the bottoms, especially if you have layers you're trying to hide. And then if I want, which I do, one final spray of oil. I always get the bottom from far. Boom. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, you know, I truly appreciate you guys tuning in. So thank you, and I'll see you guys in my next one.